Look at this. Look at this.
Those lines are coming down.
Oh my God!
That is unbelievable, dude.
It's slingshotting around each other.
Oh my God.
Go up to the top of this hill. Watch for satellites.
Pass the trees or no?
I don't know about that. My God! Watch for satellites.
I'm gonna stop right here.
Yep. Yeah, hold the line. Violent tornado. Absolutely violent.
A massive tornado tore through Oklahoma, unleashing violent winds and destruction. It swept across neighborhoods, damaged buildings, uprooted trees, and left a trail of severe devastation across the city.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Is that cutting back this way?
No. After my 500 yards, it's still power.
That is insane.
A massive tornado formed over Oklahoma, spinning violently across the sky as powerful winds ripped through the area, causing widespread destruction and leaving a trail of devastation behind it.
I need a vertical of that.
All right. Tornado, look at that. It's a satellite tornado. Good night.
Give me that thing, please.
Oh, my man. I just ran over the power line. It is still a large tornado.
Oh, dude! Large tornado right there, to the south. Just to our south. Large tornado. Woo, look at that stovepipe. That's headed to the interstate, man.
All right, Brett, get turned around here soon.
Okay.
Hop out.
An emergency situation was declared as the massive tornado struck, prompting urgent alerts, evacuation warnings, and rapid response from rescue teams as the city faced growing danger and widespread destruction.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Wow.
Band-Aid in. I'm taking Billy.
There are homes completely gone.
Is it coming towards us? No, but it will look like it. Get out there, don't be scared.
Up into the air. This is a life and death situation, tornado emergency for Southside Enid. Mike Bennett, go ahead.
Okay, Aaron, we're at Highway 74 exit, Robert Covington, and then we're going to go ahead and go west towards you, down 412, Arcadia, driving right into the teeth of the storm, so we're going to have to do a little core punching here.
Houses were destroyed as the massive tornado swept through Oklahoma, tearing roofs off, collapsing walls, and scattering debris across neighborhoods. Entire streets were left in ruins, with families displaced and homes reduced to rubble. Emergency crews rushed in as the devastation spread rapidly, leaving the community in shock and crisis. Fear spread among people as the massive tornado approached, with residents rushing for shelter, sirens wailing, and emergency alerts flashing. Panic filled the air as families held onto loved ones, uncertain about safety, while the violent storm outside continued to intensify and threaten everything in its path across the city.